Hello everyone, welcome back to another Meekfro video. You are watching youtube.com/Meekfro, and today your girl is coming through with some information concerning a media kit. It is very important. It is more so on the business side of being an influencer. This is the business aspect. So first things first, what is a media kit?
Yeah.
A media kit is pretty much a quick summary of what your brand, your personal brand, is about. And since we are focusing on being an influencer, it's pretty much what it is you have to offer to any particular brands that you're trying to collaborate with or be sponsored by. Influencers don't just make their money from the actual platforms itself, like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, the whole thing. That's another video for another day. But that is not the only way we get paid. There are also sponsorships that happen. Reviewing products or mentioning a brand in a certain video or shouting out a brand mid-video or, things of that sort. You will find majority of influencers out there do participate in brand partnerships or sponsorships. So this is why a media kit is very important if you call yourself an influencer. As I've said, a media kit is pretty much a summary of what you stand for as an influencer, your statistics, pretty much everything a brand needs to know about why you are a perfect fit for their brand. What can you bring to the table? Everything a brand needs to know about you will be in the media kit. Then my heater decides it wants to come on at a time like this. Okay, so a media kit is very important because it pretty much answers every question a brand would possibly have concerning you as an influencer. This also gives you a sense of professionalism. When a brand reaches out to you as an influencer, you're gonna want to have your media kit made up already set and ready to go and send to them, so they will know who you are, whether they've done their research on you or not. They will know more in depth of who you are, what you have to offer, and your rates. So today I'm pretty much just going to show you guys how I made my media kit. So let's head over to the laptop, over to my desk, and we are going to get started. Okay, we are here at my desk here, and apologies guys, I do have my pajamas on. Basically going to show you guys exactly how to make a media kit on Canva.com. Canva.com is pretty much a website or app. I also have the app here on my phone. You can use Canva.com or the Canva app. I personally like to use the website because the website pretty much gives you a wide variety, way more than what the app provides. This isn't the first time that I've ever used Canva. I use Canva for pretty much everything on my channels, any type of designs you see on my channels, my social media. All of the graphics are made with Canva.com or Canva app. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make a media kit. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are on Canva.com. You're going to want to make an account. It is free to make an account, so once you make the account, you're going to see a page something like this. I've already had an account with them, so yeah, this is what my screen looks like. Pretty much you see all of these thousands of templates that are already made. There's flyers, posters, Facebook posts, social media posts, logos. You can even make logos here. Shoot anything, resumes, anything you could think of. They have a template, an already made template for you. You could just go to it and switch out the information. So here I'm just typing in media kit. I want to see all of the media kit templates that Canva offers. Here they are. There are plenty of them. Some of them are free, some of them are not, but majority that I'm seeing here are free. You can also make a design on your own, like if you want to make a blank one. Yeah, this is my media kit, my personal one. for my brand. Just showing you guys, giving y'all a sneaky peek in. This is what my media kit looks like. This is what I send to brands. I recently just made this. You want to have your followers, your statistics, services offered. Rates are here, some cute pictures on it, of course, some of your best photos, or some of your best work, even previous brand partnerships here, just to list a few of the ones that I've worked with, just to kind of, let future brands that I'm working with know that, hey, I'm legit, that type of thing. So just showing you guys an example on how to make a media kit. I've picked out one here. Okay, now some of Canva's media kit templates come with several pages. I mean, it is not out of the norm for your media kit to be more than one page. It would be great if you could make it one page, but hey, mine's is 2 pages. But here I'm just going to show you guys how to make a 3-page media kit. So this is what the template looks like without anything being changed out. It already came like this. So I'm just going to go in and change the information. That's all you're pretty much doing. If there's something about the template you do not like, you can switch it around, add anything to it, delete anything, that type of thing. That is the great thing about Canva, you guys. It is pretty much a wide open playground for creativity. So I'm just changing the name on here to my brand name, which is Mykeltrent, which is also my channel names, etc. And just add a description as to, what I do, what I classify myself as. You're going to want to do that on your media kit. Classify, exactly what you do. What do you call yourself? And then, of course, you want to give them some social media pages or a website to look at. So here they already had like Twitter and what is that? I don't know what that is with the V. And then there's Pinterest. You could switch those icons out. Yeah. So that's what I'm doing here. You don't have to keep everything that the template offers. It's kind of like these templates are kind of like a guideline, if that makes sense. So just, think out of the box, add your little creative touch to it. So here I really want my YouTube, that's one of my big platforms. I want that listed on my media account. Some of my best platforms, the platforms that I do the most collaborations on, I'm going to put that on my media kit. So you can change the colors of everything on here, fonts, colors. You want everything to flow. So whatever your brand colors are, you're going to want, you want your media kit to have those same colors. So everything about your brand really needs to have the same colors, the same fonts, that kind of thing. And yeah, you can switch out the pictures if the template came with an area with pictures. If it didn't, you can still add images. But yeah, I'm just adding photos here. Some of my, best photos. A lot of my photos I feel are just great, but just picking, a few here to put onto my media kit page. And then after that, you do want to be sure that your media kit announces how many followers you have. Like I said, statistics, followers, pretty much what you do, how many views, that type of thing. You're going to want to include everything you think that anybody would like to know about you as an influencer, who you are affiliated with, any brands you have affiliations with. Are you a brand ambassador for certain companies? You're going to want to include that. Yeah. You're going to want to also include like demographics. Also, like, what type of audience do you have? Who does your pages mainly cater to? You can find all of those analytics amongst your actual platforms. You go to your analytics, your insights, different things like that, and transfer it over to your media kit here.
All we ever needed was a chance. Wake up every morning, chase the bag, yeah. Every day we just stuck to the plan. Hit the plug, about to do the dance, yeah. No, I can't wait on nobody. Hit the plug, gotta get them. No, I can't wait on nobody. The dance, about to do the dance, yeah.
Also, what I love about Canva is you could click on a certain part of the text and click duplicate, and it pretty much copies the same thing, so you can have the same text or whatever. And I just drag it somewhere and just, switch the text out, if that makes sense. So, I don't have to keep going to, click new text. And no, you can just click duplicate, so you can keep the same fonts or whatever going. But you still could change the fonts if you'd like, And yeah, so here I'm just Googling some logos. This is how I found my logos of the brands that I've worked with. It's best to save the transparent version of the brand's logo, but some of them don't have the transparent version on Google, so you just have to get the one that has the white background. And you just pretty much downsize it and lock it into place somewhere below brands I've worked with, or however you classify that section. Previous sponsorships, previous brand partnerships, that type of thing. But you're going to want to collect logos for that section. You're going to want to include that with your media kit. So pretty much when you're done, you're going to want to save this off into the corner right here. As you can see, Canva does allow you to order prints if you like, but we're not doing that. You want to just save this as a PDF print. It says suggested by the side. That's the one you want to do, the high quality one. And you just click download. And once you download it, you guys, it'll save to your computer. You could rename the file or whatever, so you could find it pretty easily. This will also save to your Canva account. So if you want to go back and edit it anytime you get ready, you can. It'll always be there unless you delete it, but it will always be there. You're going to make sure that you also save your PDF file to your phone, and pretty much like through Dropbox, your Google Drive, your iCloud, that type of thing, or email it to yourself and then add it that way. Either way, you're going to need it on your laptop and your phone, because you never know, how you're going to be responding via email to these brands. So it's going to have to be on your phone and on your computer. All right, guys, so right here I'm showing you the finished product after it's been downloaded and saved. This is your PDF file. This is your media kit right here. Boom. Look how nice and seamless and flawless it looks. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, that's how you do it. And once again, this is mine. It's my personal one here, my actual one. Gorgeous. Absolutely love it. You want to keep this up to date as well. Don't ever let it go without it being updated. Yes? Hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial there. It's like I said, it's pretty simple. Canva is a tool that's free. You actually need that in your life if you've never heard of it. So like I said, everything from business cards, logos, the covers for Facebook, the covers for YouTube, the thumbnails for YouTube, any type of design templates you can think of, resumes, anything for your business, Canva has it for free. Now, if you want to go the extra mile and pay extra to have Canva Pro, by all means, go straight ahead. It can only just get even more awesome than what it is now, because there's a lot of things that are for free on Canva, and it just blows me away. Yeah, you're gonna want to dig through Canva, see what they have to offer. It is so much, you guys, so many templates. You can even make your own designs. It's a lot. It steps up your professionalism with your channels, your social media pages, that whole thing. Anything from Instagram stories. They have Instagram story templates. You just take your time and fill them in if you like. It's just very important for your pages and things to kind of flow with your personal brand. It all needs to be aesthetically pleasing. And that's the thing that I'm working on with my channel. I mean, I was kind of like all over the place, but Canva has, over the years, really has, it has put me in line. It really has given me a sense of direction, if that makes sense. So if you have not thumbs up this video for me, please, I'm gonna need you to do so. Subscribe to this channel if you have not. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. Okay. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Yeah, comment any questions. If I missed anything, you guys do comment below. I would highly appreciate it. Any other video ideas concerning this topic, do hit my comment box and let me know, guys. I would absolutely appreciate it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.